from pot to plate in under 20 minutes. This Maggi and pasta combo will become your breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner and all-time favorite recipe. Take 1 liter water and let it boil on high flame. Add 120 grams of spiral pasta or any pasta of your choice. Then add 1 tablespoon oil and give it a stir. Cook pasta 80% and drain water from the pasta. Pour cold water on pasta and let it drain. Add 1 tablespoon oil and mix it gently. Keep it aside. 2 packs of Maggi 140 grams, 120 grams boiled spiral pasta, 2 chopped tomatoes 180 grams, 40 grams chopped French beans, 40 grams chopped carrot, 5 mashed garlic cloves.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Take a pot and add 2 tablespoon oil, garlic, and stir fry for 10 seconds on low flame. Then add tomatoes and stir fry tomatoes for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add carrot, French beans and stir fry for 3 minutes on medium to low flame. Now add 1 sachet pasta masala, half teaspoon sugar and stir fry for a minute on low flame. Add 500 ml of water. Mix it well. And let it boil on high flame. Once it boils, give it a stir. Now break Maggi into 2 pieces and add it. Let it cook for 3 minutes on high to medium flame. Add pasta and mix it well. Add 2 Tastemaker that comes along with the Maggi. And mix it well on low flame. Turn off the flame and add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and gently mix it well. And our creamy veggie Maggi pasta is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!